Okay, hello. You say
Hello.
hello. And can you introduce about yourself? You first. What's your name? How old are you? What class are you in? Or something that you like? Tell me something.
My name is.
Can you speak nicely?
My name is Jack Ananda Levin. I am 9 years old. I'm in 11th class.
Okay. What do you like? Something about you.
I don't like anything.
Do you like anything? Do you like the toy in your pocket?
No.
No, so give me.
No.
Can you give me?
No.
No, but you don't like. Say that you don't like. You like or don't like?
I don't like.
So can you give me?
No.
If you don't like.
No.
No. Okay. You next.
My name is Tony. I'm 9 years old. I'm in 11th
Class.
class. I like play game and eat ice cream.
Yeah, nice. And you?
Hello, my name is Ryan. I'm in 11th class. I'm 11 years old.
What else? What color do you like? What animals do you like? Something about you.
I like yellow. My favorite animal is cheetah.
This one?
Cheetah,
What is his name? His name or her name?
the animal.
Yeah. Do you name her or him? No? Okay. Now tell me, what do you do early in the morning, David? In the morning, what do you do?
I eat my breakfast.
You just wake up and eat your breakfast?
No.
No,
I brush my teeth.
Yeah. And wash your face? Can you put your hand down? And eat breakfast? Do you go to school?
No.
You don't go to school? Really?
Today?
Today? Just today? But on Monday you have to go to school.
Today and tomorrow.
Yeah, okay. And Tony, tell me, what do you do at school?
I learn and play.
Play. What do you play?
I play football
Football? With who?
with some of my friends.
Some of your friends. And what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math
Math? Why? Why do you like math?
because I like math.
You just like it? Do you like English?
Just a little bit.
A little bit. Okay. And Ryan, what subject do you like the most?
I like science.
Science? Why do you like science? What do you learn in science?
I learn
What do you learn about?
how to make something.
Oh, can you see nicely? Do you learn about the world around us? Around us? Yes. Okay. And can you tell me what can make you burn? David, are you sleeping? What can make you burn? You burn.
Fire.
Fire. And you? What thing?
Fire too.
Fire too? Tell me another thing.
Magma.
Hmm?
A magma.
Magma?
In a volcano.
Oh yeah, but we don't have here. Right? Something around you. It's so easy to make you burn. Does hot water make you burn? Hot water?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Does the light make you burn? A very, very hot light.
Yes.
Make you burn? Yes. Okay. And tell me. Oh, now you read the story. So, I just check your pronunciation in this story. Okay, and now you read one by one. Just write first.
Today we have water play at school. The little gorillas are going to have fun.
Tony?
The gorillas get to swim in the swimming pool. Who Whose child is this? Asked one of the gorillas. It's not mine, said Gary. Who has the yellow tail? Towel. I do, said little Gracie.
They put up their shoes and socks. Then they jumped into the water. Whose ball is this? Gary asked. It's mine, said Gracie. Who wants to play ball? She asked. We do, said her friend.
Look out, yelled one gorilla as he started to jump. Here I come, yelled another gorilla.
The little warriors had so much fun. Then it was time to get out of the water. They shook their bodies to get dry. Whose shoes are these? Gary asked. They're mine, said Gracie. And who wears pink socks? I do, said Gracie.
Now there were only two socks and two shoes. Whose socks is this? Gary asked. And who wears these shoes?
One of his friends said, Gary, are you the only one who has no shoes and socks? Gary looked down at his feet. Oh, there are my shoes and socks, he said.
Then he started to laugh. All the other gorillas laughed too.
The end.
That's all, okay. Do you like your school?
No.
No? Why don't you like your school? Give me the reasons.
Because I don't like.
No, everything has reasons. Give me some reason.
I don't like.
Do you like your picture? Do you like your picture?
No.
No.
What?
So the reason you don't like school because of your teacher, right?
So evil.
So evil. But are you adorable at school?
Yes.
Yes, really? Do you listen to your teachers at school?
No.
No, because this is because of you, right? And do you have animals at school?
No.
No. Right, now tell me, what does a farmer do? David first. What does the farmer do? Where can you see the farmer?
Farmer in the farm.
On the farm,
On the
right?
farm.
What does he do? He or she do?
He planted trees
Plant trees and raise animals.
and raised animals.
And tell me what kind of animals that you can see on the farm.
Cheetah.
Some animals. What
Cheetah.
else? What else?
No.
So where can you see? Where can you see that animal?
In the jungle.
A jungle.
Or zoo.
At the zoo? Have you ever seen in the zoo? At the zoo?
No.
No.
At Vietnam.
Not in Vietnam. Okay. What else?
But my grandmother
Said.
take care of the cheetah
Really? Where? At
In
the
the-
zoo? In the house?
in her house
In her house? Really? In the
Yes.
countryside or in the city?
in the countryside.
Countryside? Really? Okay. Now, what's your name? Tony? Okay. Tell me, where can you see the doctor?
I can see doctor
In the house?
In her house.
Hospital, right? What does a doctor do?
Take
Takes care
care.
the patients, the people who are sick, right? Have you ever been to the doctor?
Yes.
Yes.
What?
Have you ever?
Yes.
Did you have to see the doctor?
Yes.
Yes or no? Why?
When I was born.
When you were when you were born?
Yeah.
Okay, and where else? When you are sick? No, you never be sick?
If I am die,
Die. Just say that, it's not nice. Baby? Okay. Tell me, what do you want to be in the future? Ryan first. Quickly.
I don't know.
No, you
I
give me
still
one
don't
job.
know.
You, do you want to be a bus driver?
No.
Why not? When you are a bus, David, I don't ask you. Please sit nicely. Can you? And Ryan, if you are a bus driver, you can go around the city. You don't have to pay money, and you can drive around the city.
No, I don't know.
Why? Give me the reason. Just don't like. Do you want to be a doctor? No? A teacher? Try to think and answer me after David, okay? And Tony, who do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a firefighter.
Firefighter. And what will you do if you are a firefighter?
I will put off the fire.
The fire and help the people, right? Okay, and David,
Want to be a killer.
the killer,
Yes.
is a nice job or the bad job?
Bad job.
Why do you like?
Because I want to kill the people.
Do you think that your mother and your father are happy when they hear that?
Yes.
Really? So
Yes.
it's not nice. So don't say that in the class. Okay? And Ryan, back to you. Give me one job that you like to be.
I want to be a YouTuber.
YouTuber. Oh, nice. So nice. And what will you make the video about?
About games.
Games? You like to play the video games? And I will the first one who subscribe your channel. Okay? And tell me, what do you do when you see a big fire?
I will go firefighter.
Firefighter? And if your what number? do you want?
114.
114. And if your father and your mother are sleeping, what do you do? First you have to wake them up, right? And call the police officer. Okay? And what do you do when you see a big lion walking on the street? The big lion.
I will call the animal control.
Animal control? It's like police officer, right? And okay. Okay, now tell me, what color do you like?
I like green.
Green?
I like yellow.
And you?
Gray.
Gray? Do you like pink?
No.
No?
No.
And now I have 5 colors. I have 5 colors. The first color is white. The second one is black. The third one is gray. The fourth is orange. And the last one is red. And can you pick 2 colors that can mix and make pink? Choose 2 colors. 2 colors that can mix. Mix, do you know mix? Mix.
Yeah. Red and white.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Tony and David, what do you think? 2 colors that can make pink.
Red and white.
Tony? Do you agree with him? Yes. David, do you agree? Yes or no? Yes, that's right. Red and white. And if you want to make, let me think, green. Green. What do you choose? Give me 2 colors.
Yellow and blue.
Yellow and blue. And if you to make orange?
Red and yellow.
Red and yellow. And what more? What color more? Yellow more. Yeah, yellow more or red more? Yellow, right?
Both.
Both?
Yes.
It's balance? Balance?
Yes.
No, you need more yellow than red if you want to make orange. Okay. And tell me, what do you do in your free time?
I play
Ryan.
with my friends in my free time.
You play. What do you like to play?
Play cards.
Play cards. And who usually wins? Who? You or your friends?
My friends.
Really? Are you sad? No. And Tony, what do you do in your free time?
I play your phone.
You play phone. It's not good for your eyes. You know?
Sometimes play phone and sometimes play with my friends.
And what do you play?
I play hide and seek.
Hide and seek. Where can you hide when you play? Where?
In a dark place.
Dark place? It's a small.
In the house.
Yep. If you play in the house, where can you hide?
Under a table.
Under the table. And where else?
Inside the wall.
Inside the wall? Can you? No, you cannot. Behind. You can hide behind the wall, right? Okay. And David, what do you do? Can you sit nicely?
I play football.
Football? With your friends or your brothers or your father?
My friend.
Friend. And what do you like to do when it is raining? When it's raining and it's cold, what do you like to do? You? David?
I go to swimming.
You go swimming? Really? Oh, I'm gonna see you. In cold weather and when
Yes.
it's raining?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh. And Tony? What do you like to do? Just stay home and sleep? Maybe.
I come into the house and watching TV.
Do you like to read book?
Yes.
Yes. What kind of book do you want to read? Tell me some name of your favorite books. Do you remember some names? No, you don't remember? Really? And Brian, what do you like to do when it's raining? No, tell me what kind of weather do you like?